These are I chiacchiere. Hey, chiacchierone. I chiacchiere. Chit chat. Coffee talk. It's going to be Carnivale soon in Italy, and I'm going to make a traditional chiacchiere or frappe, as it also is called, that comes out around Carnivale time. This recipe is way back since the Roman times. So on my board I have 2 cups of flour, and this is a 1/4 cup of sugar, a little bit of salt, and the traditional recipe calls for grappa, dry white wine, a marsala wine, or even rum, which this is. I'm just adding some rum. And 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. And you can do this if you have a KitchenAid, you can do that too. I kind of like doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to use 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks to this recipe. Okay, now I'm just going to take a fork and break up that egg and incorporate this and form the dough. My dough came together nicely. It's so nice and soft, and I'm just going to have it sit and rest for 30 minutes. My dough rested for a half an hour. It's nice and soft. I'm going to divide it into 4 pieces, and I'm going to roll them out, and I'll show you what it looks like once they get rolled. Put a little flour on the board, and I'll roll them. You want to make it fairly thin. If you have a pasta machine, you could roll it through the pasta machine. So I'm just going to make the dough nice and uniform by cutting off the edges here. And then this just gets put into strips around 2 inches wide. And from those strips, I make a slit down the middle, and then I take it and I fold it into itself, just like that. I'll lay these all out. I'll continue to do some. You can do it this way as well. Just make 2 slits this way. But I like it with that slit in the middle, and then they get folded into itself. Now I'll continue to do these until they're all done, and then we go fry them. These are all ready to be fried. The oil is hot because I put in a small piece of dough and that came up, so I know the oil is ready. So I'm just going to put in a few at a time because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. And these are going to get nice and golden on both sides. I'm going to drain it on some paper towel lined baking sheet. Look how beautiful these came out. They got so nice and golden color. They fried up in no time. I'm going to sit down and have these like my mom would, with a cup of coffee and some good company around the kitchen table. It's like coffee talk, like little chit chat. You just get together with your girlfriends, with your family, and you make memories. You sit and enjoy yourself. That's the way Italian life is. You want to sit and enjoy, and every now and then you just have to take the time to relax. These are I chiacchiere, and my father would come by and say, "Never mind I chiacchiere." He'd get upset because my mom would sit for a while and talk, but the memories, it's cooking is all about the memories, keeping the traditions alive. I'm going to have a nice chiacchiere and a cup of coffee. Buona festa, everybody.